Good evening, friends. Nalinaksha Swami here. Welcome to my channel, Smart Index Edge. The second intraday trading strategy is momentum trading. That is momentum trading, riding the trend waves. Riding the trend waves. Let me take you to the here daily chart of Hero Motorcar. I have selected Hero Motorcar for my trend trade. The reason for that is, see, I'm seeing the trend over here. High, higher low, higher high, and higher low. So when I noticed this, so I selected this stock and marked the boundary. You need to mark the boundary of the high and low of the previous day, and this is within that. So this is the stock when you select for the momentum trading. So this is momentum trading, riding the trend waves. That means you have to ride the trend waves. First is the identifying the trend. I identified the trend on the daily time frame like this, and I selected the stop and confirm the momentum. Just a second, some wrong thing I've done. Momentum. Confirm the momentum. So you have to confirm. Momentum is confirmed. Momentum is towards the up. And next is the look for the pullback and retracements. You have to look for pullbacks and retracement. That is very, very important. In determining the entry points, you have to look for the pullback and retracements. I am going to explain it to you in the chart which I have displayed over here. Identify the key support and resistance point from where it can bounce within that trend. See, I have to identify the support and resistance point from where it can bounce. First, I am going to determining for the entry point. I have to look for the pullback and retracement, how much it is going to retrace. Identify the key support and resistance levels. I have to identify support and resistance. And see for reversal candlestick pattern. When I'm taking at that level, probable level, I have to look for the reversal candlestick pattern. And then fourth point is you have to set stop loss orders. You have to set a stop loss because it is in intraday trading below the support. When you have entered it and you have to ride the trend. So you have to trail your stop loss. Trail your stop loss. Sixth point is monitor and manage the trade. Because intraday trading, all of a sudden momentum loss will be there. You can see weakness. Then you have to exit. Sometimes you need to exit the trade or book your profits also. So you have to continuously monitor and manage the trade. First thing, I have identified the trend and confirming the momentum. See, here I have marked the area 2901. 2901. I think I'll remove everything and I'll explain it to you. Okay. See, previous range. I've shown it on the daily time frame. This was the range. And on the next day, 30th, so you can see the price has formed within this candlestick pattern. So the day, okay. Here I'm marking the previous day resistance and the support over here. That is around 130. It has formed a swing and later it has closed like that. So resistance is around 2920. Okay, 2920. Okay, what happened is, so price gapped up. So already I've identified the trend in a daily time frame and I've selected the stop since it was a pause and also it was a trend structure in like this. Trend structure. Okay, I'll take this like this. So it had stopped in this way. So anticipation, it is going to continue. So pre-market itself, we will come to know where it is going to close, where it is going to open, sorry. So here, in the first 5 minutes, I've taken for my confirmation, added simple period. For intraday trading, you need short period moving averages, 5 to 9. And I have also added Bollinger Band. And also I am taking the help of fractals. Okay. And also one more indicator to confirm the momentum. That is RSI, Relative Strength Index. See, on 5 minutes time frame, it is showing overbought. So I need to wait for this is the peak resistance. Market gapped up. I know this is a trend. Higher high. This is the high and this is the higher high. 2988. 2982. Then I need to wait for I've taken the help of RSI to see for the momentum. And also I'm waiting. I've used the indicator 5 period moving average and also 9 period moving average. This is Bollinger Band. The background you can see, that is Bollinger Band. And you can use RSI for the momentum checkup. So fractals I'm using just to see where there is turning points, to note the turning points. So when it gapped up, I'll wait for the momentum trade to take the trade. I'll wait for the retracement. In my previous video, I've explained how I calculate. See, I have applied, this is the support area, trough, and this is the resistance peak. peak, and this is the support. From this support, previous day close 2891, I'm taking the fib tool and applying it to the peak. Now, if the trend is to be positive or momentum has to continue, the retracement, pullback, maximum I need to expect for 0.618 or 0.5. Okay. So before the trade is going to come back here itself, when it starts coming down, I know my levels. 0.25 is the 2937. Okay. 2937 may be my level to enter. And here the price still, the retracement is above the 20 period moving average, that is plotted by the Bollinger Band. Okay. So price is above, and after two red candles, you are seeing a reversal candle over here. Reversal candle over here. Simultaneously, the fractal. Let me change it to 3 minutes time frame. Here you can see hammer over here, hammer. And even it made an higher high. Next candle made an higher high, but could not come down, though it looks like a gravestone dozy. These are the two combinations. If you combine these two candles, it will be like a neutral candle. From the neutrality, see, it will be a neutral. Let me try. After combining these two candles, I'll get the candle like this. Neutral candle. From the neutrality, see, if you draw a line, price is rising above this level. So it is confirmation of the reversal. Price is above the 20 period moving average. Trend is intact and it has retraced to the low was made was 2941. That is well above the 0.5 retracement that it is showing. Not even it has come to 0.5. It is in between 0.38 and 0.5. So it is showing good strength for my trade, for the momentum trade. So I have identified the reversal with the help of moving averages and also with the help of Bollinger Band. Third thing, I've selected my entry point before itself by applying the fib tool. I'm anticipating it need not come to that level. Within this level, I'm seeing a reversal candle. Reversal hammer type of candle over here and continuation. So I'm entering my trade. This is the momentum trade because the structure on the daily time frame is higher highs. Okay. Now my entry is over. I've entered around 2949. My stop loss will be 2940. Only 9 rupees stop loss. My risk is only 9 rupees. I'm going to continue my trade. I'm holding my trade. See, after the next leg, it has made an higher high. It came up to 2997. This is a normal process, trend process. So I need to keenly watch whether the retracement. Now also I can anticipate the retracement by applying I'll remove this previous pip, I'll take it out. Now from this here to the peak, I will anticipate it should not go below 0.618. So 0.5, 0.61 is a great level. And also this level is intraday, second level. Let me change the color, yellow. And this low is higher low. Usually on intradays, what happens? Price after making a momentum move, it stagnates. It stagnates for a while. See, it went undergone through consolidation, and you can see, you can apply this method also, Bollinger Band squeeze. So it was a range trade over here. Sorry. Range, Bollinger Band squeezed and Bollinger Band. This is the breakout of the range, and price started riding on the upper Bollinger Band. And even if then from here, I'll again the same method I'll do, because I need to monitor. If there is any weakness going below this or coming near that, it will caution me. So I have to hold my position. I'm trailing my stop loss here and I am holding the position. Here, my stop loss was here. I entered at 2949. My stop loss was around 2940. Now I'll trail my stop loss to just below, little bit below this, 2959. And I'll hold my position. And again, it started after the period of lull, it started moving up. Again, the same method I'm going to follow. Even for scalping also, you can do this. The retracement is not much, 0.5 only. Then it is good. Again, the retracement is little bit more, but even though the retracement is not more, 0.618, it is making higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. Okay, I'll take this. See, if I take this, if I go on marking this, higher lows, higher low. This is again range. And here, you need not worry, because it has come below the lower band of the Bollinger Band. Here, up to this, only here it has come to the lower Bollinger Band. Here, again consolidation you are saying. You need not worry, because you are trailing your stop loss. I have already trailed my stop loss to higher. When it comes here, I've trailed my stop loss to 2975. And I'm monitoring my trade. It is going up, trend follower. Finally, it broke above. You can see the 90-degree movement over here. This is the momentum trade. You do not know. I'm not telling you this will go up to this. We cannot say, because it all depends upon the player who is the big money which has taken control. So 90-degree move around 245, you can see it made a peak. After that, if you want, you can book profits. If you are scared of But when you see the retracement, it is just, if you measure the retracement, this retracement is only 0.38, indicating more strength. So it continued up to 3037. So likewise, what you have to do, first you have to identify the trend. Second, when you identify the trend, you have to take the intraday trade. So first thing, after identifying the trend, you have to mark the support and resistance area, and you have to see for the higher high and retracement and pullback. How pullback can be determined, I explained it to you with the help of fifth tool, and also I'm taking the help of shorter period moving averages and also Bollinger Band. So because to adapt for the intraday range trading also, I want to see for Bollinger Band squeeze also, volatility contraction and then expansion. There is contraction and expansion. This is the way I go for intraday momentum trading. So this is momentum trading. For first thing in my previous video, first tactic was scalping trading. I explained in detail how to do this scalping. Same methods only. If you follow the strict the rules, you will win. You will succeed. Even it is a momentum trading. So I hope you have understood. You can take the trade. Another trick is, what you can do is, showing you the watch list morning around 9-7 a.m. All the prices get settled. If you click on the change in percentage, you will get some stocks. Now I'm not getting. For example, if you are getting some stocks in positive territory and already you have selected one stock. Instead of looking for any other stock, on a previous day, you have selected Hero Motocorp as your trade. Then pre-market price will suggest you the range opening above the range. Then it is confirmation, and then you can wait for all the steps, one by one steps. I'm not jumping into the trade immediately. I'll wait for the establishment of the trend. So it takes time. Here, in this, establishment of the trend took, this is 1 minute. Why it is not showing? Yeah. Time is 9:15 itself. In the opening bell, 9:15 itself, you got the clue. So I measured from the support to the peak, and I will look for the retracement. That's it. When you get proper this one, you are going to enter into the trade. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.